Friends, how are you today? Inshallah, we're gonna talk about how to earn money from Facebook page. Okay, I already make these videos or this tutorial for Arabic people, but I'm just trying to make it also playlist or tutorial from how to earn money from Facebook step by step. I will show you how to do this, and I will share my experience on this. All of my want is just to subscribe my channel and to put a like, and that gonna to encourage me to make it to finish this course as soon as possible. So please, if you are interested, then just subscribe my channel and I will teach you everything how to do it step by step. I know many of you are interested in YouTube, and me too, but I already finished started this earning from Facebook, and also I'm gonna to do it in YouTube. You can also do this for YouTube, and also you can work on Facebook. So let me first show you how is my earning. This is today my earning is 64.37 dollar. Okay, today. Okay, and I will show you this month. As you can see, this month is my earning. Okay, and I will show you last month, April to 30 update. As you can see, this is my earning, and I will show you earning from the beginning of the day, the beginning of the year, even now. So we'll put update. As you can see, this is my earning from January even to May. Okay, so please just make me encourage for this tutorial, because I already made it in Arabic, but I'm interested to do it in English. So just subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will start for this course from tomorrow. Inshallah, I will start first step, and I will finish it at after 1 week maximum. After 1 week, I'm gonna to finish this tutorial. Thank you for your watching.